What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today we are doing a special video. Now this video is going to go over the ecosystem of internet computer price. This video is going to try to bring the knowledge of ICP to developers and to potential developers and to let just the general public know about the amazing ecosystem that ICP has. Now, if things work out correctly, we are going to do a lot more videos on internet computer price. So if you guys love ICP, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel because we're going to do hopefully weekly videos on ICP. We'll see. That isn't set in stone yet, but even if we don't move forward with that, we're still going to do videos on ICP, every now and again because it's a great project. So let's go over this ecosystem because I looked in here and they actually have a lot more information than I had thought. So now that I have researched this a little bit more, if we go in here, there's a lot of different things. As you see, they have a wallet, the infrastructure part, they have NFTs, tools, the social media part, the Dapps, enterprise, authentication, explorer, NNS, DeFi, games, and then work. And we're going to go into each one of these and look over the ecosystem of Dfinity and internet computer price. Now let's go look at the wallet first. Do your own research. Okay. Plug. You could get your Plug wallet built and open source by Fleek, a browser extension that allows you to access ICP cycles and other tokens, as well as log into internet computer dApps with one click. Download it here, over 100,000 users. So, and then you got your Stoic wallet. Stoic Wallet by Tonic Labs allows anyone to create a digital wallet authenticating users through a variety of methods, one of those being internet identity. Create accounts, keep an address book, and more. That's pretty cool. Then you got your Earth Wallet, bringing crypto to Earth. That's pretty cool. I guess Earth never had crypto before, right? No. So Earth Wallet is the self-proclaimed key to Web 3.0. The open source wallet allows users to participate in DeFi governance and treasury DAO protocols with negligible fees and faster transaction settlement than legacy wallets. Now supporting the internet computer. And that is Earth Wallet. That's kind of cool. I like it. Dfinity. Man, I love that name. I don't know why. Dfinity. It brings me in. It draws you in, doesn't it? Dfinity? I mean, it just makes you feel like you're definitive in what you do, and that's going to last for a long time. Doesn't that kind of seem what it is? Dfinity, definitive for a long time. I don't know. That's what it seems like to me. And then you have ICP Swap. ICP Swap is a decentralized exchange built completely end-to-end on chain. By building the ability for anyone to swap tokens through ICP Swap, leveraging the internet computer blockchain as the high-speed, scalable, low-cost infrastructure makes ICP Swap the first market in the growing internet computer DeFi ecosystem. So this is the actual ecosystem in the internet computer program. And if we do more videos on internet computer price, this is going to be one of the main things that we're going to go into is the internet DeFi ecosystem and the entire ecosystem. That's what we're kind of going over, the fundamentals of ICP and the project today. So NNS DApp, the NNS front-end DApp allows anyone to interact with the internet computer's network nervous system with a user-friendly UI. Served completely end-to-end through blockchain, this DApp allows you to manage ICP, stake neurons, participate in voting, and earn rewards. So this is the NNS DApp. So it is pretty cool. It allows anybody to interact with it. That's kind of cool, the nervous system. And then Dfinance, and I bet this is Dfinity's DeFi. Dfinance is building open financial infrastructure on the internet computer with DeFi products, swaps, unified token standards, token issuance, and token management. Dfinance is one of the first open and decentralized financial solutions on the internet computer. Now you can start building on the internet computer, and if you're a developer or you build dApps, this is going to be one of the best places that you can start. There's a show, I did a video before called Achievement Unblocked, and that is my jam. That is my kind of stuff right there. I love to see people competing for amazing projects. And, I'm giving my best presentation here for you guys just so that you can know more about this project. Whether we get the community grant or not, I still like this project and I like all this stuff. The more I look into it, the more I like the project. All right, let's go to the infrastructure next. So do your own research. Note, all these dApps are using the novel internet computer blockchain. Use the following projects at your own risk. As always, do your own research. Fleek. Fleek brings decentralized web hosting to the internet computer with thousands of web pages deployed. Fleek enables anyone to deploy their content on Web 3.0. Now, that is pretty cool when you think about the Web 3.0, because that is one of the big things that have to do with these new dApps and these new decentralized hostings. So ICRocks is a complete block explorer for the internet computer built by the community. Oh, wow. Tracking everything from transactions to network upgrades to cycles. ICRocks enables anyone to explore the inner workings of the internet computer. So that's pretty cool. Dank is the first decentralized bank. Oh, decentralized bank. Dank. Okay. Built on the internet computer, developed by Fleek. Through a collection of open internet services for users and developers, Dank makes cycles management seamless. Tonic Labs. Okay, Tonic Labs is a creator of Intrapot NFT marketplace, Stoic Wallet, Exponent, and Rise of the Magni, Chronic NFTs, and more. Try out their projects that range from NFTs to rap cycles to games built on and for the internet computer blockchain. I cannot wait to see what some of these games are, and we're going to look into these in the future and see what games are on there and maybe even try to play some of them. Canlista, the Internet Computer Community Canister Registry, find, publish, and extend applications and services built on the internet computer. Log in with internet identity. Wow, you can find and publish them. Okay, these canisters are important for the ecosystem. So Canlista, this is one of the most amazing parts of Internet Computer Price is these canisters, because they basically bring the entire blockchain to your feet and the entire ecosystem so you can find whatever you're looking for in this thing right there. So the pseudograph is the GraphQL database for the internet computer. Its goal is to become the simplest way to develop applications for the IC by providing flexibility and out-of-the-box data management. Dfinity Explorer. A project started in 2018 is an open source community built dashboard and explorer for the internet computer, providing live information and statistics about the network, governance, and the ICP utility token, including account and transaction information. ICME is a no-code tool that makes it easy for anyone to build and deploy beautiful websites on the internet computer. Launch your blog and business's websites on the internet computer today. Departure Labs, Axon, a lot of these, I mean, I'm not going to go over all of these because it would take literally all day. So internet identity guarantees that your data is invisible, tracked, or mined. The blockchain authentication system enables users to sign into dApps on the internet computer and sites across the web anonymously and securely. So pretty cool. You can start coding down here, developer grants, all of that. So if you're a developer, they actually have grants that will pay you to build on the blockchain. So there's not only community grants, there's developer grants too. So if you're good at building dApps and you have a good decentralized application idea, this is where you're going to want to go. You want to go to dfinity.org, go to infrastructure up here, and then all the way down here. I'm sure it might be on other ones too, but for sure right here. So let's move on next to the NFTs. What kind of NFTs or what do they have on Internet Computer? So IC punks, Internet Computer punks. So as you know, they have the regular punks, and then they have the IC punks. So crypto punks, you got the IC punks. IC punks has developed 10,000 randomly generated unique collectible clowns with proof of ownership stored on the Internet Computer blockchain, created as reference to a meme comparing the Internet Computer token to the American hip-hop duo Insane Clown Posse. Oh, no way! ICP punks are the Insane Clown Posse. That's funny, dude. I never knew that. Intrapot. Intrapot is a decentralized NFT marketplace developed by Tonic Labs. The creators behind Rise of Magni, Stoic Wallet, Chronic NFTs, and Exponent. Intrapot through Exponent provides users with tools and on-chain services to design, deploy, and manage NFTs. So 3 million plus in volume. That's a lot. Let's look at this one up here. It doesn't say how much volume. Okay. Then we have NFT Village. Wow, that's kind of weird. Laser eyes. Look up the attributes, NRI, percent rarity, and other information about Internet Computer NFTs. Simply input the URL of your IC punks and Chronic NFTs or any other NFT minted on Internet Computer blockchain and learn all the details that make the NFT unique. That is cool. Basically, NFT Village lets you know all of your attributes of your NFT punk that you have, or your IC punk, but your NFT. That's really cool. Internet Astronauts. Internet Astronauts are a set of 10,000 limited edition, uniquely minted astronaut-themed NFTs. Those end-to-end on-chain NFTs will be up for grabs to the community through the Intrapot app.marketplace. They are only possible through the Internet Computer blockchain. IC puppies. So you have a lot of these Origin, IC Moji Origins, Departure Labs. I might go into some of these on future videos and do just videos on each one of these if you guys want to know more about them, and we can actually go in and look at the projects. This is just a quick overview, a high level overview of the whole internet computer ecosystem is what we're doing right now. So Nuance is a Web 3.0 browser, and so on and so forth. So those are the NFTs. Now the tools, always do your own research, but you got a lot of tools. This ecosystem has so much going for it. Astrox is a blockchain development group focused on building tools for the Web 3.0 ecosystem. AstroX has developed a Dart agent and other tools to help support mobile application development on the Internet Computer blockchain. Fleek. Fleek brings decentralized web hosting to the Internet Computer with thousands of web pages deployed. Fleek enables anyone to deploy their content on Web 3.0. And Motoko Playground, Pseudograph, and there isn't that many of these, but these are all tools that will basically help you get to where you need to and what you need on the Internet Computer, whether it be to deploy your content, whether it be to learn Motoko, the native language for the Internet Computer blockchain, or the Pseudograph GraphQL, the database for Internet Computer. Its goal is to become the simplest way to develop applications for IC by providing flexibility and out-of-the-box data management. Now, this is a lot like the other QL thing that it was talking about in the wallet. So, or the infrastructure, Social DSCVR is a decentralized version of Reddit. No way! DSCVR is a decentralized version of Reddit, where users are the owners, decentralized end-to-end, built on the Internet Computer and accessible for any browser. Try it out yourself. Guys, let's try this. All of my peeps, all right? let's do this. Let's go to this thing, and I might even try to post some content over here if I can. I don't know. Maybe I'll post this video over there on DSCVR. So if you guys really want to support the channel, go over here and let your voices be heard, because the more people that go over here and the more people that watch this video, the bigger chance that I will get this grant, and we will continue to do more videos about ICP, make an awesome community, and just do a lot of other awesome, amazing, cool stuff on the internet computer, so, and on the channel. And then you have this district. It's a completely decentralized, community-owned professional network. Users of the platform will vote on upgrades, and no user data will ever be mined or sold. Create your account secured by identity today. Open chat, decentralized messaging, and more. Now let's go into the Dapps. This is one of the big parts, and this is where all of the developers are going to want to pay attention, and especially if you want to get the developer grant. These are where you're going to have to build on. So the Motoko Playground. The Motoko Playground is an IDE for developers to learn Motoko. The native, we just went over that. Deploy canister smart contracts for free directly within a browser without needing to download an SDK or set up a wallet. Then you have the NNS DApp. The front-end DApp allows anyone to interact with the internet computer's network nervous system with a user-friendly UI, served completely end-to-end through blockchain. This DApp allows you to manage ICP, stake neurons, participate in voting, and earn rewards. Then you have IC Drive, a decentralized private file storage DApp built on the internet computer. There is so much to this ecosystem that I did not know about, guys, and I'm so glad that I'm doing this video right now. An open-source web editor for presentations built completely on-chain. DECDECGO. You know how they have the DuckDuckGo? This is DECDECGO. It is a decentralized version of Google Slides built on the internet computer. That's pretty cool. And then Ideal. I think that's what. Ideal? Ideal brings your team's work together in one shared space. Completely built on-chain, manage your boards, columns, and cards to transform your projects, serving web experiences directly from the internet computer blockchain. Nuance is a Web 3.0 blogging platform that is hosted on-chain end-to-end over internet computer. Then you have The Wall, is a DApp built on the internet computer's blockchain, which blends Ethereum's MetaMask authentication with internet computer's native internet identity blockchain authentication system. So it's just a good wall. It is a wall, right? You can't penetrate that one. So the Mod Club is a decentralized moderation rewardings tool based on completely on-chain, built on the internet computer. Mod Club rewards users for effectively moderating content, currently in beta stages for their solution. Users will be rewarded in tokens for moderating their favorite communities. So CrowdEats is a decentralized version of Yelp. Okay, so they have a decentralized Yelp on there. They have so much on there. That's cool. Lo-Fi Player is a DApp hosted on the internet computer and lets users listen to relaxing beats delivered by blockchain. No way! This is the decentralized version of Reddit again. District, completely decentralized community-owned professional network. We already went over that. Open chat, we already went over that. Internet identity, we already went over that. Tonic Labs, all of this. So a lot of these things are going to be the dApps that we are learning about in the wallets, the NFTs, the tools, all of those. So, and then we have the enterprise. There's so much to this. Origin is blending luxurious goods. I'm going to go more into a lot of these different things. Agro, and we just need to go to authentication next. Internet identity. So this is how they track identity. It's basically their verification system. Like you heard, they actually partnered with another one to, I believe it was the Google verification system, or what did they say it was? Enables users to sign in dApps on internet computer across web anonymously. Yeah. So that's cool that you can't have any of your data visible, tracked, or mined. That's really good. That's important. So Explorer, IC Rocks, we already went through a lot of these things up in the tools. So let's go to the DeFi, and then I want to go to the games. We already looked at NFS. Uniswap front end on the IC. Uniswap front end hosted on the internet computer through Fleek, showing how traditional DeFi solutions can now be hosted completely on-chain by using the internet computer blockchain. Another use case of completely decentralizing the service, which currently has a centralized front end. Dfinance, ICP Swap, Dank, Agro, Intrapot, Earth Wallet, and more. Okay, that's the DeFi world. Now let's go to these games. icpnewstoday Origins. This looks like a pretty cool game. icpnewstoday Origins is an NFT-based multiplayer game built end-to-end on-chain on the internet computer. The winner of the DSCVR Hackathon Season 2 features one of the first NFTs on the internet computer. icpnewstodays. These NFTs can be won in weekly challenges, purchased or traded via marketplaces, and brought into the decentralized game with their unique attributes. Play now for free. Wait, what? You could play for free? icpnewstoday. Okay, we're going to go into this game maybe. We might do a video about this later on. That's cool. Texas Hold'em? No way. You can play Texas Hold'em on the internet computer price blockchain? Dude, what is going on here? That is so cool. I love it. Oh my God. Mission is possible. What? Not Mission Impossible. Mission is possible. Third place winner of the DSCVR Hackathon Season 2 is a PvP third-person shooter hosted on the internet computer blockchain. The John Wick inspired game is built using the Unity 3D game engine and is hosted on the IC, enabling decentralized login with internet identity. Reversi. Reversi is one of the first canister smart contracts deployed on the internet computer and is completely decentralized multiplayer game. Play against a friend or foe in real time from any browser anywhere in the world. Sega Tarot. Okay. Rise of the Magni. Oh, that sounds cool. Tonic Labs, winner of the DSCVR Hackathon for games on the internet computer. This was the first one, I think. Buy, earn, and trade collectibles, compete in tactical battles online, and earn in-game tokens, and venture through story mode to experience one of the first games built on the internet computer. That seems pretty cool. I kind of like that game. I might have to play that. That actually looks like my kind of game. Tactical battles, all that, yeah. The metaverse. Okay, so here, prize winner of the DSCVR Hackathon for the internet computer. This game brings digital community into the unified virtual space. Find anecdotes from founding ecosystem members and go through a series of quests. So HexGL is a futuristic racing game using HTML5, JavaScript, WebGL, and hosted on the internet computer blockchain in order to run instantly on your browser from anywhere in the world. Cube Run. Oh, that looks cool. It's like F-Zero. That looks like F-Zero, right? Remember F-Zero? That's what that reminds me of. Except there isn't as many blocks in the way. So the classic game Cube Run gets an updated by having new graphic interface and being hosted completely on-chain. The decentralized version of this game lets you keep your high score running in your browser through persistent memory. Lo-Fi Player. Lo-Fi Player is the Dapp hosted on the internet computer and lets users listen to relaxing beats delivered by blockchain. That's pretty cool. We talked about that earlier too. All right, so we looked at all these things. Now, what does it work? IC Drive. Okay, private storage system, we talked about that. DuckDuckGo, it's like basically the Google Slides, a dial. We already talked about all those. So now we are going to go deeper into the community and the roadmap and see what is going on with this. The Dfinity Foundation's contributions to the Internet Computer Roadmap are subject to community discussion and voting. So the roadmap. The Dfinity Foundation is committing R&D resources to the internet computer ecosystem in the form of following proposed technical contributions. At each stage of their life cycle, these roadmap items will be voted on via proposals to the NNS, where neuron holders will have the ability to direct the foundation's effort in making the internet computer more efficient, faster, and easier to use for developers. So, Enable canister smart contracts to control ICP, enabling all canister smart contract types to interact with the ICP ledger to control ICP tokens. Currently, for security reasons, only NNS canister smart contracts and users may interact with the ICP ledger on the NNS subnet. So, expand internet identity support. Continue expansion of supported devices for the internet identity to include more browsers and devices that support WebAuthn, in particular Windows Hello. So, direct integration with Bitcoin. This is my favorite part about the internet computer price, and it has my heart. You captured my heart, Dfinity. Oh my goodness. Just kidding. But no, they did. I love this. Internet Computer will add smart contracts to Bitcoin through an application of chain key cryptography that will directly integrate the networks. Smart contracts on the Internet Computer will be able to hold, send, and receive Bitcoin. That is so freaking awesome. That is the best part. I mean, should we just stop right there? I mean, that's everything, right? No, there's more. Increase canister smart contract memory. Currently, canister smart contract stable memory storage is capped due to the WASM limitations at 4 GB per canister smart contract. To improve scaling, a new system API will be offered to canisters that allow them to use as much memory as available on their subnet, currently 300 gigabytes. Threshold ECDSA signing. ECDSA signatures are widely used in the blockchain industry. This feature will enable canister smart contracts to have an ECDSA public key and sign with regard to it. The corresponding secret key is threshold shared among the nodes of the subnet holding the canister smart contract. This is a prerequisite for the direct integration between the internet computer and Bitcoin and Ethereum. Service nervous system governance for Dapps. Adding a feature to the NNS that allows entrepreneurs and developers to create an NNS-like permissionless tokenized governance system with its own token ledger for the Dapps and services. Security sandboxing. Implementing a process sandboxing mechanism for canister WASM execution with the objective to protect IC nodes and canisters hosted on them from rogue canisters that try to exploit holes in the WebAssembly through a malicious crafted canister code. So that is basically the protection, the security sandboxing. They basically build a wall around anything that that's what it looks like to me. Rosetta API updates. Extensions to the Internet Computer Rosetta node to enable exchanges and other ecosystem participants to create and manage neurons for staking and voting rewards. Documentation for usage guides and internet identity. Big Map is an advanced scaling solution for linking an unbound quantity of canisters together. AMD SEV virtual machine support. Enable node images to be run as virtual machines, improving data center adoption while continuing to support privacy protecting subnets. Direct integration with Ethereum. No way! Smart contracts on the Internet Computer and Ethereum will be able to interact thanks to direct integration enabled by chain key cryptography. In a revolutionary step, chain key cryptography will enable smart contracts on the Internet Computer to be able to submit transactions to Ethereum. Community consideration. The Dfinity Foundation is opening up its roadmap to community discussion and vote. Based on community feedback, the foundation will submit a proposal to the NNS for items to be added to the Dfinity Foundation's future R&D contributions towards the Internet Computer roadmap. Non-fungible token standard. The Internet Computer does not have an official NFT standard. It is up to the Internet Computer community to discuss and propose a preferred NFT standard. Fungible token standard. The Internet Computer does not have an official token standard. It is up to the Internet Computer community to discuss and propose a preferred token standard. Tokenomics proposal, endorphin, badlands. So you can just go through all this stuff. Now, I have to always, you know that from my videos, look at the price. Now, that's the difference between me and a lot of other YouTubers, because our videos, we always want to look into the projects. And I'm going to go deeper into this ecosystem and individualize a lot of different things. I want to take a look at the NFTs on ICP. I want to take a look at the games on ICP. I want to take a look at the smart canisters and see how I can make those work for me, or if I can find some friends that are developers to build dApps on it and then integrate it with that, I could help out a lot of people that are, trying to integrate games with the blockchain. My brother is creating a game in Japan, and maybe I can convince him to try to create a game on the blockchain too. My brother's pretty good at that stuff, so that'd be cool if he built on ICP. But yeah, things are looking amazing for this project. I hold, like I said, I hold an amount of this, but I do want to go in and look at the price, because that's what we always do. We look at the price as well. So that's, like I was saying, that's the difference between me and a lot of other ones. We look at the project, but we also look at the price as well, so that we can know when is a good time to purchase and what are the average prices and what is a good time to buy. So if you look here, $38. I know the projects and stuff aren't really worried about the price right now, but that is what a lot of people are going to get into the ecosystem for, is a good investment that they can also have an awesome ecosystem. And I didn't even know the extent of the amazingness of the ICP ecosystem that we just learned today. So thank you for joining me through this tour of the ICP ecosystem. We now know about the NFTs, we know about the wallets, we know about the games, we know about the DeFi, and we know about the tools and the infrastructure of ICP. These are some major things that have major implications on the future price. Now, if you think this coin is only going to be worth $40 going into the future, with everything that is on there, from NFTs all the way down to the games, then you need to take a step back and kind of think about what you're doing, right? Because there's a lot of projects out here that don't even compare to Internet Computer Price. And I didn't even know that, because I only went into surface level videos of this, and now we're going to go in depth, and I'm going to build a community around Internet Computer Price within our community. And so what we are going to do is make weekly videos about this. We are going to do giveaways in ICP. We are going to have a lot of cool stuff. We're going to have a website built, and these are all plans if the community grant goes through, and they decide to pick us and partner with us, and that would be awesome. I really like meeting with their leader and talking with her. She has such a pride of ICP. You could hear it. You could see it in her face. Like, you could just tell that this lady loves what she does, and that she's really putting thought into who she picks and the future of Internet Computer Price. And to me, that is somebody I want to partner with. I have turned down a lot of different partners that I don't want to work with because I don't believe in it. I have been approached by several different up-and-coming projects that I don't want to get involved with, but something like Dfinity and Internet Computer Price, I trust. I have a feeling of trust of their company. I have a feeling of my money is going to be safe holding here, even though it's down a little bit right now at 40. This is actually a really good time to buy. We might get this double bottom back over here at 38. But let's look at the average prices, right? So it went all the way up to 58 and then back down to here. And so I would be looking for a double bottom bounce. So I would be looking maybe to put in something at 39, or let's wait and see when the reversal happens. So yeah, as you see, we could have reversed right there, but it looks like it might be going down. So I would wait like a little while and just see where it's going. But even if you bought it like right now, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, common sense, educational, informational. So this is just a good time. And because this is when everybody makes money in crypto, is when they buy it when everything is down. As you see, the whole market is red. But is this the end of the market? That is what we want to know. And that is something that no matter who sponsors us, no matter what we do, that is something we're always going to talk about. And I'm going to let you know when I think the end of the market is. And I'm going to let you know before it happens as close to the end as possible. I'm going to try to get it as close to, on the way down as possible. And it might not be on the way up. It might actually be on the way down. So we'll have to see, because it'll be a giant blow off top when it happens. So it'll be kind of visible, but people at that time will still be like, oh, it's not over. It's a new cycle. So let's not fall for that. All right. But we're going to go in depth and look at this all the time. And please join our Discord server for Internet Computer Price. Join the Telegram group for Internet Computer Price. I'll leave them in the description below. We're going to try to build up the community even before we get the grant to show them that we are serious and we're going to do this. We're not playing around. We're going to put the hard work in and we are going to follow through with what we say. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.